I'm going to show you how to make an old fashioned using the most popular and easiest method. First thing what you're going to do, you got to grab yourself a rocks glass, also known, wouldn't you believe, an old fashioned glass. Into that we're going to put 1 sugar cube, and then on top of that we're going to add some bitters, little aromatics. We're going to go in with Angostura bitters. I've got my old beat up bottle here, as everyone should, and we're just going to go in with 1, 2 and 3 dashes of the Angostura bitters. Next up, grab yourself a muddler, because we're going to need to break up that sugar cube. So just softly kind of tap it, should break up pretty easy with the Angostura bitters on there. After that, what we're going to do, we're going to grab a little bit of warm water, pour that over. This is going to help dilute that sugar. No one wants undiluted sugar granules at the bottom of your old fashioned. And this is also why I'm not mad if people want to use sugar syrup instead. It's great for variations on the classic. If you want a hazelnut old fashioned, use hazelnut syrup instead. But for the classic, it's just 1 sugar cube. Then we got ourselves an orange. This is going to add some complex kind of citrusy flavours, all that jazz. Just peel it off, big chunk, try and get as little pith as possible, and we're just going to dunk that in our glass with the rest of our liquid. Next up, we're just going to top that up with some ice. So grab yourself some cubed ice, top up your glass, give it a little stir before adding your spirit. It's going to be a little bit sticky, a little bit tough to work with like this. You want to loosen it up a bit, get some good motion going. Once you get that motion, you can probably top it up with a little bit more ice. Look at that, beautiful motion. Bit more ice? I think so. Going in. Then we're going to add our spirit. Some people say, oh you need to add rye, or oh you need to add this other kind of... No, bourbon is going to be classic. Forget the debate, everyone's using bourbon. If you ask for it, it's what you expect. So just go in with 50 millilitres of bourbon, and then all we need to do is stir. See how simple that is? That's it, an old fashioned is bitters, sugar and spirit. That is it. So you might be asking, how long do I stir for? I'm not going to sit here and tell you 150 rotations of a spoon. I'm not going to say until it's 0.0 degrees Celsius. Just stir it until you're happy with it. If it's in a bar setting, it's just going to be till it gets to the top of whatever glass you're using. For me, I like it a bit strong. I'm just looking to see if that sugar's dissolved. That's it. Stop stirring every now and again. See if sugar starts building up at the bottom. If it doesn't, you're good to go. Look at that. This is looking pretty much done. So, 1 more stir for good luck. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. We're done with that. To finish it off, we're just going to garnish it with yet another orange peel. You might be thinking 2 orange peels? That's excessive. Hear me out. The first orange peel was for flavour. This one is all about those aromatics. Yeah, we're just going to express, give it a little bit of squeeze, let all those natural orange oils and essences come out, caress the rim of the glass, like so, give it a bit more of a squeeze. There we go. Pop it in the glass, and you're done. Look at that. That's an old fashioned, as classic as it gets. Beautiful. Done. Ooh, good job. Boom, boom. Old fashioned. I'm gonna have a little taste of this. See what I think. You know, does it live up to the expectation? Little smell, orangey, little taste. Where we at? Where we at? Ooh, chef's kiss. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.